Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing deliberately. Save to a fresh slot and confirm compendium access, because this is irreversible until recorded. Next, inspect the Velvet Room fusion chart and identify the arcana pair that leads to Nirvana. Levels must match or be compensated with added personas. Once done, gather a high-rank persona to fuse and at least one filler persona to reach exact level requirements. Make sure you understand the cost in MACA and SB. This prevents surprises when you trigger the only way method. You now execute the fusion sequence step by step. Fuse the specified arcana pairs to produce the intermediary personas required for Nirvana. Once those are ready, follow the only way ritual, select the intermediary as base and add the sacrificial high-rank persona, ensuring their combined level matches the target. Pay attention to skill inheritance prompts. Choose skills that give resistances and coverage you need. If a skill misses, stop and adjust offerings. Small swaps in sacrificial personas change inherited skills without altering. Finish by reviewing Nirvana's stats and skill set immediately. Register it in the compendium to avoid repeating the whole process. If the fusion outcome is wrong or missing a key skill, reload your pre-fusion save and swap the sacrificial persona or alter intermediary levels. This is the fastest correction. Make sure to budget MACA for repeats. Repeated fusions are expected when chasing specific skills. One troubleshooting tip: if skills refuse to inherit, check for passive conflicts or locked skills on ingredients before retrying, then proceed again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.